What's the difference between presale cleaning and regular cleaning?
The difference between presale cleaning and regular cleaning is the difference between daily tidy and real estate showcase. Regular house cleaning focuses on maintenance, vacuuming, dusting, kitchen and bathroom surfaces. It's great for everyday life, but not enough to wow buyers or photographers. Presale cleaning, on the other hand, is a deep and detailed clean, not a surface one, focused on presentation, not just hygiene, designed to meet the standards of styling, staging and HD photography. Key differences: regular cleaning, presale cleaning, weekly or fortnightly, one-off, strategic, maintains tidy home, maximizes buyer impact, quick wipe downs, deep scrubs, detail focus, no oven internal cleaning, includes ovens, cupboards, behind furniture, light touch, intensive inspection ready finish. Presale cleaning is what real estate professionals recommend when you want to achieve a higher sale price. And at Clean House Melbourne, we've helped hundreds of homes do exactly that.